Play to earn. Gaming works. Are you ready to start earning while playing your favorite games? Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn and Earn. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to dive into the exciting world of play to earn gaming. Plus, I'll share how you can build your own app and create a passive income stream. Let's jump in. Play to earn gaming is revolutionizing the way we think about video games. With these games, you can earn real-world rewards like cash and gift cards just by playing. Whether you're leveling up, completing challenges, or winning matches, there's real money on the table. Here are some of the best apps where you can start earning today. Mistplay, earn points by playing games and redeem them for gift cards. Blackout Bingo, compete in skill-based bingo games for real cash prizes. Bananatic, play and review games to earn rewards. Flash Rewards, try new games and complete in-game achievements for money. No matter your gaming style, there's an app for you. To get the most out of play to earn gaming, choose games you enjoy. Fun is key. Set realistic goals and don't expect overnight success. Be patient, rewards build up over time. Want to take it a step further? Build your own app and monetize it using Google AdMob. You don't need advanced coding skills. Platforms like Zoho Creator make it easy for beginners. Once your app gains users, you can earn a steady income through ad revenue. Whether you're gaming or building your own app, there's incredible potential to turn your passion into profit. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your efforts pay off. Let me know in the comments which app or strategy you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on gaming and online earning. For details, visit the website mentions below in description.